Is it on? Hi everyone. Today we'll be presenting our poster, which is based on the cram school culture clash, complaints of Western teachers. So the objective for this poster are as follows: identify methods used to carry out the research, highlight complaints made by Western cram school teachers, analyze the obstacles they face on the job, and propose solutions to these concerns.
Okay, and next is how we do the coding and the methodology. So first we identify complaints from blogs, Facebook groups, and Reddit forums. And then next we evaluate responses by looking for common keywords and assign an organized themes based on each response. And lastly, we summarize and reviewed all required data based on the findings.
The part we are going to talk about the complaints data. The first one is administrative problems. The main problem is low wages, low minimum wages, and also document issues. It requires a lot of time and money to travel outside of the country to obtain working visa. And the next one is support system. Um, they refuse to pay teachers' national pension fund in cram school, so it makes it harder for foreign teachers to stay. And the last one is unpaid work. Because teachers are required to work during weekend when they do not have lessons. So it also leads to complaint. And next, financial issues. Due to the growing living costs, it is called inflation. So it makes the teacher very hard to apply their living costs. And the last one is education system. For example, culture differences, school prefer American English over British English. Also, teaching style. Schools are score orientated, focus on exam instead of really speaking English in conversation. And the last one is working hours. The working hours in Taiwan is usually long or unpaid working hours for current school teacher. As a result, those are the complaint data that we collected.
Okay. And uh, next, we'll be talking about the analysis and result. So from the data, we can see that the data analysis illustrates the situation that Western teachers experience in the workplace when it comes to working overtime. Some teachers receive unfair treatment, and the culture and linguistic limitation makes things even more difficult for them. So given these issues, we identified a common pattern due to the complaints made by Western teachers. However, these issues provide us an opportunity to acquire knowledge and identify potential areas for growth. The main issue highlighted is that Western teachers who complained were being treated unfairly when required to work extra hours due to administrative problems. The result also underlined how crucial it is to get rid of linguistic and cultural obstacles so that all Western educators can work in an environment that is both welcoming and encouraging.
So, to conclude this poster, we discovered that the Western teachers who complain about the cram school culture typically experience difficulties with administration, funding, and cultural inequalities in the educational system. And some potential improvements which could be applied to the system include building a collaborative work environment, improving intercultural communication skills through teacher training, and setting clear rules for employee contracts and perks to promote a welcoming environment. And we also have our credible sources to the right. We collected the data from various blogs, so online blogs, and also from the Foreigners in Taiwan Facebook group. Yes, that is all. Thank you for listening.